Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with a video for recipe sharing instead learning piano. Taking a break from piano learning today. I baked a banana bread that I baked into individual sizes or serving. So it's more like in the shape of muffin or cupcake. But also I added something that is different than I normally add. Usually I would add pecans or walnuts or chocolate chips, but today I pushed in some Reese peanut butter cups. So I'm gonna call this banana bread as banana Reese bread. It's pretty delicious, the boys really like it, and it's pretty easy to make. I'll see you soon again, bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 1 3/4 cup of strong baker's flour with a generous pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. And for the wet ingredients, I have 3 ripe bananas with half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we're just gonna mash this. Mix the dry ingredients and mix the wet ingredients. So just like so, and just like so. You can use potato masher or fork, whichever you like, until completely mashed and combined. Once wet ingredients is ready, we're just gonna mix it with dry ingredients. And fold it, mix it completely. Once it's mixed, just scoop it to muffin pan or cupcake pan lined with cupcake wrapper. If you want to make it bigger, about 2 ice cream scoop, otherwise 1 ice cream scoop is enough. Once the wrappers are filled with the batter, we're gonna push in 1 Reese cup in the center. So just peel the paper, the wrapper, and then push it in. Now we're gonna bake it for at least 25 to 30 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit. Take out from the oven and cool it on rack.